All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open, so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, Q? We ready, man. Finish strong Friday. 2R give back. 2R max give back on the market. One swing on each ticker. I'm not double dipping anymore. I really don't want to do that. Yeah, I'd rather just find something else. I feel like my judgment gets clouded once I take that first L, and I just move. I'd rather just move on and find something else. Yeah, but anyway, we got GME on watch. Nice little daily breakout setup on the daily. Oops, my bad. Um, Imagine roaring kitty. Ah, right. Ah, what an interesting name for a man to have. I like MSTR too. It's so expensive. Yo, what up, T-Lo? What is pop? P up. What you talking about, T-Lo? Um, yeah, Tesla definitely could have a bounce. I think I did something to my daily chart or something because it just don't look right. Let me see. I guess that's the same. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Kay? Appreciate that, man. Good luck to you. Trey in the house. What's up? Taking swings today, Trey. Need at least 2 trades out of you, bro. At least one. Agree. Okay, I can see why that would be a top watch. Looking strong pre-market. Nice daily. SPPL. If they're there for sure. That's for sure. Definitely can't just be forcing stuff. Okay. AREN. Joe Dub, what's going on, bro? Okay. Look at boy, PLTR is getting some action right now. Up there testing pre-market high. Is that pre-market? Oh, it's pre-market high now. It's pre-market high now. What we got? A minute and a half until market open. I think I'm happy with what I'm watching. DESP is very curious. I'll be pleasantly surprised if this does something. It just needs some volume. It just needs a little volume at the open. Yeah, I like PLTR. What is PLTR? Is that the exercise bike? Yeah, I got rid of them, Joe. I needed to clean. Once I got comfortable where I wanted everything to be, I went ahead and took them all off. It's definitely cleaner, man. I'm so happy with DOS, man. I really have no regrets at all. No, I don't miss anything. I can't think of anything I miss from Sterling. Maybe the way the orders look on the screen on the charts, but yeah, other than that, it's a great platform. Shoot, I can get rid of this one too, can't I? Clean it up. All right, that's the bell. Let's see what's popping. GME to the downside at the open. That's what I like to see. A little sell-off action. Man, PLTR about to go crazy. Man, PLTR doing too much, yo. Yeah, DESP is getting no volume. Pointless watch. Dang, look at GME. I was thinking about this break over here, but that just went too fast, man. I was hella gonna take this break. Dang, about to miss everything, yo. BTC selling off. Bruh, PLTR, man. Just one you just had to buy. I gotta swap out DESP, man. It's doing nothing. Oh yeah, okay, Dub. Okay, Dub. I like that. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it's just not doing anything. It has no volume at all. Great daily. Spy is tanking. Man, the PLTR is going crazy. Look at DSP. Lord have mercy. uh, I know, right? That mug just turned on. Come on, man. That's gotta be enough to hit some scanners. Let's go. Yeah. I hope it shows. I'm saying, bro. Whoa, DESP. Dang, bro. This one looks pretty good. Ah, bro. This mug started making higher lows at the low. Yeah, I think I would have bought right here at this candle right there. And if I missed that one, I would have been looking for this one. Hey, what's up, Trayvon? Long Amazon. Yeah, that mug was clean, Trey. Long Amazon. Ooh, look at the market though, man. The SPY is looking dastardly. 1 minute. 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 1 minute Yeah. Where'd you get long at, Stray Man? Come on, man. Next higher high, we taking profit. Right. Right. Mm. Should have left GME alone. GME. Oh gosh. Look at GME. Destroyed. Destructo Ray. Okay. I found my little trade. I just had to jump in something else. Dag blasted. uh, ooh. Dang, bro. I should have watched some MSTR, man. Look at this clean reversal. Stupid GME. Yo, Kizzy. What's good? All right, we're going to break even on this, yo. If it come way back down here, I'm out of there. Come on, man. Take that take profit. I know you want it. It's only $1 though. Dang, I forgot that's tonight, bro. Bruh. Look at MSTR looking good, man. Oh, man. Look how close DESP got. 65. Not that close, honestly. Man. Yeah, MSTR looks super nice. I wish I caught that double bottom, man. Just watching GME. Blah. Blah. Dastardly. Bruh. Look at him at MSTR, man. Disappointed. Trading pause due to volatility. Dang, I ain't never seen that before. Actually tells you why it paused and when it paused. 9:49:07. That's cool. Well, my watch list would have been hot fire without GME. Um, yeah, I should have stayed away from that stupid meme stock. Is it? Dang. What else is Mara? Y'all better stop playing with me. Bruh. That would be hella my fault though, putting it at the whole dollar instead of just below like I normally do, but I just want that $1.25. Come on, man. Ooh, it's looking a lot worse. That's nasty. Yeah, that was mad foolish. Small loss on Gree. Well, that was retarded. Yeah, I just can't see this one, bro. They always look like they downtrending, man. This is what I be meaning when I say these mugs look dead. Mm. Ooh, it's two rule breaks in one. Yeah, I deserve this red day. Man, this thing about to come down, yo. I know, man. And I just, bro, I always put my order, if I want to sell at 18, I always put it at 17.99 or something like that. Or I could have got half of my position off and I'd have been chilling very comfortably right now. Yeah, I quietly lost my mind over here on MSTR. Um, yeah, I was tripping. Straight tripping. Mm. Wow, Tesla's doing good despite the market. That's a pretty good sign. Do you short Tesla? Man, I don't know. I'm not much of a short player, but man, I did too, bro. I'm so mad about it. I'm so mad about it, Q. I literally came in this morning and said no double dipping. And I did good on GME. I took it off my chart, but when I lost on MSTR, I still kept looking at it. So let's take that off. Actually, we could just close that joint at this point. Put the SPY up. Oh, really? Yeah, I could have just sold 3R and been out of here. Really, just thinking about just taking out 75s and getting my 3R out in Green Day. But that's good. Man, SPY looked like it was gonna break 600 the other day. Now it's below 590. Oh yeah, it's definitely starting to reverse. Clean single that you took. Nope. Man. So you had your level there. It came to your level. And you watched it. What we gonna do, Trey, man? Well, how many trades you took today? Just one? See, when I miss my target like this, I feel stubborn. Like if it made me wait all this time, now I'm like, all right, now I'm not moving it. Like, you better hit my target now. Top tier trade analyst. It's gonna be a trade commentator. Spy go down the hole. You're short. This look like a good double bottom right here, bruh. BTC's breaking down. Good call, man. Got out of there already. This looks interesting for PLTR. Over 63. SPY getting a little bounce here. Man, it's got an 11-cent spread. Yeah, it does. Kinda. It's still kind of extended. It's just kind of consolidating right now. I sure feel a lot better about it above 18. That's for sure. Oh, now's the time. Dude, Trey, this was yours, bro. This was yours right here, Trey. Mm-mm-mm. Starting to learn service. Man, I like PLTR, man. There's no good entry though. Alert chat room on Discord. There you go. Sell courses, baby. Why aren't you going up though, man? 1766. Yeah, you know it's getting bad when you start scrolling back trying to look for hope. uh Man, PLTR about to go. At least you got something, man. I'm worried I might not get anything out of this trade. Bruh, I can't believe I let it just come up here and kiss my take profit like that. 2 candles in a row, man. Just sat there and watched it. Break even day. Hmm. Ooh, PLTR. Fading. Hmm. Yeah, you and me both, Trey. I'm very disappointed. I took the DESP trade and I just didn't need to do anything else. I don't know why I jumped into more trades, but I could have just sat in this trade and focused on it. But instead, I jumped in GME. Yeah, I hear you, Brian. I'm feeling that way too. I just have a hard time cutting a trade in the middle of the trade. Everything's going down too. What Tesla end up doing? Hey, Shravan, did you take that Tesla short? I hope Shravan took that Tesla short. That was a great play. I like that foresight there, Q. Plotting Monday's new moves, next week's moves. I know, right? Yeah, I was thinking that when it was up here and I was $1 in profit at 75. Like, man, let's just take our 3R and get out of here. But riding that hope train all the way back down to VWAP now. Yeah, that's crazy for me not have taken anything. Straight crazy. Um, I just kind of want to give it a chance to bounce off VWAP. Specifically this 1720 level. Um, mm, that's very true, Brian. This one trade is insignificant in the big picture, but the habits I develop and the psychological processes that I solidify are way more important. Compromise. I sure thought this was going the other way. Yeah. Ah. Many lessons have to be learned the hard way, folks. Dang, man. This was actually a really good trade. And well, Kim. Yeah. Man, today was just a straight flop on performance. I took a really good trade on DESP and put my profit target at the whole dollar, which I never do, man. I never do. I wanted that one extra penny so bad that it ruined this whole trade. Usually I would do 17.99, 97, something like that, but sat it at the whole dollar. It came right up to it, did not fill my order. And then I sat and watched it come all the way back down to almost 1R before taking it. So that was pretty disappointing execution. And then after I got into this great trade, I went ahead and traded GME, which was not a good. This is terrible price action to try to take this reversal. I just was kind of FOMOing a bit. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I wish I would have just had my trigger finger on the quarter sell and sold some on the way up. Should have sold some on this bounce and this bounce, and you know. This one was just like, what the heck? I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna take it. Like complete violation. No stop at low of day. I was just like, the FOMO of missing this entry was too much for me, and yeah. Then I took it again, bruh. Back to back, just bloop bloop, and just got chopped up. This is like some 3 months ago trading right here. Very disappointing to do this. The same candle. So disappointed, man. And then I had this nice. This is a. Could have just took the 3R and ran with this one, man. Hmm. Well, I sure appreciate your input, Brian. Admittedly, I'm a bit hard headed on some of these things. I think you guys definitely Q. You've been right most of the time. Where it's like, bro, just take the profit, and I don't take it, and it almost never works out. I used to get HH a lot in those battles though, but yeah, you guys been getting me. Mm-mm-mm. Well, part of the reason I took a second trade on MSTR is because my first loss was only $6. So I was like, well, but then I didn't adjust my second entry to make up for that. So I still lost a full R on the second trade. So ended up down 2.5 R, giving the market 2.5 R today, which is not what I want to do. All right, Brian, thanks for hanging out, man. Man, it was enough to make some money, though. It was definitely enough to make some money. You can catch a trade like this. There's no excuse to walk away. I mean, I got 12 bucks, but I was up over $30 up here, which was 3R. Man, I wish I could have just got that take profit, man. I would have been cooling. Mm. Yeah, the most disappointing thing is just the thing doing the things that I didn't want to do. You know, taking entries without stop below low of day, and then taking a second swing after getting stopped out. Like the MSTR trade. Like if I just had the GME, it would have been like, all right, that's cool. But this was just total violation, man. Yeah, that's true, K. That's true. I just in my heart, I do not like losing more than 2R, man. So it's more difficult now for me to keep trading past 2R than it is for me to walk away with the loss. It used to be way more difficult for me to just accept that, like for me to sit here and say, oh, I'm only down 1.5R on the day and just walk away. Like, bruh, like most of the time, I would have preferred to have a full max loss day than to leave with -1R. Right. But just the fact that I know I paid the market 2.5R today, it bothers me. You know, I don't want to do that. So at least this win got me down to 1.5R down on the day. So I didn't give a full 2R back at the end of the day. I mean, I definitely gave it to him, but I got some back. Um, yeah, I think I got to get back to. Well, I mean, I wasn't really there that long to say that I left and need to get back, but the mindset that I have when I don't have a take profit order in and I just have a stop in my quarter sale, that's I feel like that's a really good place for me to be, because then I'm just looking at the volume and looking at the moves and seeing where you should sell. Like, hey man, this might be a turnaround, this might be ending volume, let's take out a piece, let's take out a piece, you know. Yeah, you right, Q. You right. You right. I had a couple 6R and 4R days. I had that those days make it tough to take profit, you know, when you just got a little bit of it. But having the expectations is not good to me, you know. Did you take the short, Shravan? Tell me you took the short up there at like you did? Oh man, I pulled it up a while ago and I was like, man, I hope he shorted. Did you get it up here like around 320? When I looked at it last time, I was like, man, you know, if you can get it at the highs, it could be a good short. Um, I'm hoping you took some profit down here, if not the whole thing. But yeah, that was a good call on the short move. 315. Bruh, you shorted at 315 just now? I thought we was talking about it back here, bro. Hmm. That's right in the middle of the range, 315, man. You got lows at 310 and highs at 320 just now, huh? Yeah, I don't know, bro. The way I see trades now, I want to buy the lows and sell the highs. So like doing anything in the middle of this range for me is super sketchy, man. Yeah, and Tesla's been strong, definitely relatively strong all morning. Yeah, bro. It's making a higher high right here, man. Be careful. Be careful. These green candles getting bigger and bigger on the 5. This one might be the big one. Ah, yeah, the 15 setting up nice too. Yeah, bro. I would not be in the way of this thing. Over 317, you should be out of there. Well, hey, this is not financial advice. Hold up. But it looked pretty strong to me, man. It looks pretty strong. It spent almost no time below VWAP today. $3.18. Okay. $3 stop. Yeah, the 15 looks and the 5, they look really bullish to me. But don't let me talk you out of it, man. You was right up here about this short up here. I wish you shorted it up here though instead of it's like a psychology. Like when I was thinking buy high, sell higher, it's like you don't want to buy until you start seeing it, until you see, proof of the move. Like you see it. Uh didn't even break 17. That's cool though. Um Man, there goes PLTR, man. Golly. Yeah, I would have got washed trying to buy it over here. Gotta buy those extremes. Dang, bro. PLTR went crazy today. Look at the 15. There's your clue right there. Golly. That 15 minutes pretty cold blooded after about 10:30, man. You can catch some nice setups on the 15. Yeah, Tesla rolling. Yeah, that 18 trapped you, huh? Yeah, if it was me, Shred man, I would be looking. You look for the higher time frame bias, and then um, you want to buy at the high. You want to buy at the lows and sell at the highs. So like, if I wanted to short this, I'd be wanting to short this level, and if I wanted to long it, I want to long down here somewhere. You know. Oh. Hey, what's up, Arthur? Oh, you still in there? You got one of those mental stops, huh? 2 week halt? Jeez. TPET. That's crazy. Where you in at? Bruh, zoom in. What is this? How did this happen? Oh yeah, I'm here, man. I'm here for a long time. I'm here until I can't. If it gets to the point where I need this time to take care of my family, then I gotta quit. But until then, man, I'm here chasing the dream. Dang, that was forever to scroll that in. I guess I could have brought the toolbar back for a moment. It ain't great, man. It's not great. It's not terrible, but it's not great. I'll pull up the old journal here. Man, Tesla looking strong, dog. Let's see. Let's add yesterday. All right, so -30 on the month. Had a green week last week, excuse me. $5. And this week's been rough, man. This week was rough. That's right, Arthur. Yeah, so not great, but I've definitely had some much worse days. I'm trying to keep my red days around $20. So I don't want to see any more of these 3R days. So hopefully these are the last two. And today will be 1.5R, $15. So unfortunately, that's gonna put me at like -45 on the month. He's saying I'm taking fewer trades. Yeah, this day was kind of crazy, but yeah, I appreciate it, bro. I've been trying, man. The biggest part of my issue is just taking too many trades, Like I'll find that one good setup and instead of just focusing on that, I'm still trading. Like today, man. My first trade was on DESP. Amazing entry. It worked out great. And instead of focusing on taking profits, I'm over here jumping in GME, getting stopped out, jumping in MSTR twice, back to back, and getting stopped out. This whole MSTR trade was a rule break. For one, I didn't enter with a stop below low of day, which is a good rule because if I take a position and I don't want to put my stop below low of day, it usually means it's too far up and it's not a good entry, you know. So I broke my rule by taking that trade with my stop right under this entry candle. And then I broke my second rule of the day by taking a second swing. What I wanted to do was if I lose on a trade, I'm done with that ticker for the day. But Yeah, getting stopped out really fast, like on the first candle, that that does something to me. Yeah, I appreciate it, Kay. It was a huge problem, man. Just straight gunslinger. I'm trying to move away from that completely. Man, look at DESP, bro. This is a setup for me right here, where it goes up and trades back and breaks below VWAP, but just hangs out right on the bottom side of VWAP. This is literally I've been calling this out. I want to name this something because this is a good trade to me. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And I would still be in the trade if y'all didn't talk me out of it. Sub VWAP trap. Yep, the Hassan. The Hassan. Yeah, I like that, man. I see this a lot. The VWAP trap. Um, yeah, but fewer trade, man. Honestly, I would like to come and take one trade a day. And the only reason to take a second trade is if that first trade stops out and I see another good setup. But yeah, I really would just love to come in and take one trade and ride that out and be happy with that. Especially if the trade is working. Like if I'm in a working trade where I'm in the money, there's just no reason to take another trade in my opinion. It's the FOMO that makes me want to like, yeah. But it's the idea of being in a great trade and seeing another great setup and not taking it. That feels silly too. So it's like it's a conundrum for me, man. But I would really like to just take one trade and just trade the heck out of it. You know, there's lots of places. Honestly, I could have took some profit on this first pump, man. And there's lots of places I could see. All these volume spikes right here could have just took a little bit out. Yeah. I think for me, I think it's 1 to 2, man. The third trade, like, how often have I taken 3 trades in a day and all 3 of them hit? Like, it's kind of pushing it. I mean, there are some great days out there sometimes, but 1 or 2, man. 1 or 2 and being happy with the results. That's the hard part, man. Just walking away. Like, even now, man, I kind of want to trade something, like, but I can't give the market any more money. I can't. What's Tesla doing? You still in Tesla, Shravan? Hmm. That's an idea, Q. I want my desk position back. It's chilling down here at 1675. Hmm. And PLTR. Hmm. Well, I guess that's a wrap, y'all. Ain't nothing else going on today. Definitely not taking any more trades. What did I get from this week? Where's my journal at? Let's look at some of these trades, man. Um hmm. Okay, this was just like a dip buy with no confirmation or anything. Opened up. Hmm. Yeah, it just kept making lows. And then I bought it. I did risk low of day. Super wide range candle though, man. Not a great entry at all. And I mean, it had really made a killer move in pre-market already. Hmm. I think this is one where I just didn't risk low of day. Either that or I raised my stop up. This was like a break even trade. Yeah, I guess I raised my stop up. This was a good trade. This was a good trade. Probably should have taken some profit up there. Hmm. Imagine all these little spikes that I take. And if I just took profit and then moved my stop to break even, I would have like a bunch of I would have a bunch of like half R, half R and 1 R trades instead of losses. Nah, I haven't, man. I haven't yet. I started to. I started tagging a few of them, but I haven't consistently gone through. I really want to tag everything that since I started doing reversals because I don't really have that much data It's all in my head. I haven't gotten a nice collection of data together where I can say, where I can point out kinds of consistencies or anything like that. I guess I ain't marked anything for November yet. These are the only reversals I got marked. Yeah, I got some work to do for sure. But hey, look at this win percentage. Yeah, I'll make that my weekend project to go through and tag all of my lower day reversals. I'm hella slacking, bro. Yeah, I got to do that this weekend for sure. Go back through and tag all my lower day reversals and just go through them, man, and see what I can dig up. See this DSP trade. The main reason y'all wanted me to sell it was because I was already red, right? And it's like, well, bro, you should at least walk away with something. So that's trading what? The P&L. In reality, I have my stop just underneath $17. And I would have survived this little VWAP pattern that I like so much. Maybe I would have even added as it broke back above and could have got busy. Not that I'm blaming y'all or anything, but just kind of talking through the mentality of trading the P&L instead of trading the trade, trading the chart itself. But I don't know, trade, because I feel like it's a lot of the ones that I pull up on you trade. There's no momentum, and it's downtrending, and it's like if it gets to a level on momentum, then it kind of makes sense to target the level. But if there's no momentum and it just kind of dies off into that level, it's hard to see the good play in it. Like, what was that? SPPL, was it? Yeah. Like this one, it's the first move down. Like, it didn't keep breaking levels. One move down, and then it bases. And so this looks great to me. But why would they cover if it's just slowly going down? It's working. It's just like, to me, it's like looking for base hits out of base hit plays versus looking for base hits out of home run plays. Like, with momentum, it has a lot of volume, a lot of people trading it, and it's volatile. So, the bounce could bounce really far. But when it doesn't have any momentum, the bounce, like you trying to get a single out of the potential for a single. Committed 72 says, what's up, HH? This is out of character for you, bro. What are you talking about right now? Jesus and milk. Yeah, like I don't agree. Is like the crap of small cap action today. Like, this was beautiful, you know? Like, that's why we do all the work. We're looking for a good daily setup. We're looking for a catalyst. Like, we want all the reasons that are pushing the stock in the direction we want to go in. And when something is just breaking down, like there's no reason to look for a long on this. Like, you talking about, unless you like hyper scalping, which kind of sounds like you're doing, you know, very small targets, but I just like, you could do the same. That's why I'm kind of trying to pull you over to mid caps, because you could do the same thing. You know, you could do the same thing on things that are gonna move up like a few dollars, you know, and then you can take your base swing. You know, if you only want 20 cent, cool. But you know you got a high probability to get your 20 cent if it's gonna go up $1 versus if it's gonna go up 21 cent and you want 20 cent. You know what I mean? I understand, but that 15 cent is the maximum range of the move up. Like, it's a miracle. You know? Like, on this, like, yeah, I don't know, man. I've seen a lot of these, bro, and I just think if you picked pennies, better penny setups that weren't dying off, you know. SPPPL usually don't trade on the 5. Dang, you got jacked up on SPPL? Look like such a nice chart. I guess it just depends where you buy it at, huh? uh, where you Foxo? Man, what a move. 55 to 79. That's a huge move percentage wise. Oh, you saying you gambled and made bank? Oh, so you had a good day at the register, huh? At the casino. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying, man. We gotta stay away from these dead joints, man. That's why I was like, bro, show me your screenshots of your last 10, bro. Cause I've seen so many of these, bro. We gotta fix that. We gotta fix that, man. Gap and crab reversal. That's kind of what we've been what I've been low key calling them, because that's, I think Roland calls them that. The gap and crab. Yeah, I'll call that in the daily. I know, right? Hilarious. um Casino is working today. Oh, I need to get my favorite GIF meme up here, my favorite twerk meme. I gotta add that to OBS, yo. It's going down. I'm totally adding this, yo. It's going down, yo. Hold up. Yo. It's going down. Yo, next time we getting it popping. Yeah, that's Bob's Burgers. Oh man. That's when it's popping, man. When we get money, hey. That's hilarious. uh, yeah, that's hilarious. What's going on here? Why is my no ghetto booty? Gotta keep it PG, yo. What is going on here? There we go. Yeah, I ain't ready. Well, that's a wrap for the day. Ooh, look at the SPY picking back up, man. What Tesla end up doing? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, Tesla looked really nice. Really nice for a long down here. Hope Shravan ain't in the way, man. It went all the way up through 319, so. Yeah, PLTR, man. I was sad I couldn't get an entry on that, man. It just ran straight up off the open. Would have had to take that 1 minute ORB like Joe Dub. Just held that joint all day, man. Big facts, K. I got to spend some time in the lab, man. I really do. Yeah, same to you, K. Appreciate you hanging out, man. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys. Bring back that ORB, man. I don't have any data for it, man. It's just like a gut feeling. It seems like such a gamble, man. Such a gamble. I'll be watching it though. Anyway, y'all, I'm getting out of here. Yeah, I gotta spend some time in the lab, man. Gotta do some journaling. And just dial in these reversals a little bit more and try to see some. I know there's some clear signals and a way for me to differentiate these mid entries, these mid setups that I'm taking, to separate them from the really, really good ones. So I got to go through and look at the dailies on everything. And yeah, I haven't been doing my homework for real, man. I've been real busy. The main hurdles I've been conquering though are the ones that's in my mind. The over trading and taking profits and things like that. I didn't execute any of that well today, except for a pretty sweet entry on DESP. But I didn't take profit, man. I had my take. I'm so sad. I had my take profit up there. It was gonna be so sweet, but I got greedy by 2 or 3 cents, man, and it really jacked up the flow of this trade. Because if I already had take profit up here, I think it would have been a lot easier for me to keep my stop at break even or so to let this thing cook. But I don't want to be in the trade this long anyway, honestly. So, yeah, man. Anyway, I'm out of here, y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging with me. Hit that like button, subscribe if you have not. Be safe out here, y'all, and have a good weekend. Peace. Where's it at? It's gone. I wanted to throw the twerk up one more time for the weekend. Where is it?